this video, I will show you how to design a soccer kit using 3D mockup from yellowimages.com. So for this one, we have a mockup or a template which has a human model on it. So we will be using a design or a background graphics from freepik.com, which you can use this free to use. I will put the link on the description below so you can download these graphics and also the mockup for this template, which you can purchase on the yellowimages.com. Okay, so once you download this design, just select this and Command C or Control C in your keyboard to copy, then go back to your Photoshop, then click on the body. And also don't forget to lock these highlights and shadows. Again guys, if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So again, click on the body, then double click, then paste, Control B or Command V in your keyboard. So we will adjust this graphics to cover the whole view. Okay, then now you can just click the Control S or Control or Command S in your keyboard to save, then hit close. Then you have here your body background, hit print. Okay, now we will going to copy once again this graphics or the background. We will just put it on the top of this mockup, so we can get the other color that we are going to use on this kit. So just hit I in your keyboard, I for eye drop, then click on the colors that you want to use. So for me, I will be using this neon and navy blue on this uniform. Okay, so those two. So now we can go ahead and delete this. Then we are going to color the colors. Just select. Okay, you can select both. Click once, then hold shift, then click the other one, then right click, then convert to smart object, then just double click, click on color overlay, then click on here, then click on the green color that we have chosen earlier. Now we are going to change both the sleeves. So again, we are going to right click, then convert to smart object once again, then double click on that, then color overlay, then select the navy blue that we have selected earlier. So for the shorts, we are going to again select both, then convert to smart object, then I will going to apply again the navy color that we have. So for the socks, we can again guys, this is just a shortcut that I'm doing. If you don't going to put any graphics or logos inside the each layer. Example, on the socks or on the sleeves, just select those both layers, then right click, then convert to smart object, and you can just double click and change the color of those layers. Okay, but again, this is not advisable if you have a logo inside, or if you have a logo that you are going to put on each part of the layer. Okay, so now for the shoes, we are going to just apply navy again, and for the ball, just white will do. I think the navy is better. Let's try the green one, the ball. Oh, I think this is better. Okay, so now again guys, for the shoes or any other parts of this layers, you can change any specific colors. Example, the lace of the shoes, you can change the color of that. Okay, let's try that. So just click on the parts. As you can see here, you can change the color of the boots. Example, this bottom here, you can change to green. Okay, I think the lace is okay. Change this on the brighter neon green to match the neon green up the uniform. So there you are, we have our soccer kit. So you can put any logo or graphics that you have, just drag and drop it here. And now we have our back view. So we're going to again design the back view. So don't forget to lock these highlights and shadows. Click each part that you want to change the color, double click, then and just minimize so you can view it like so, then adjust just to cover the whole box. Okay, I think this is okay. Just hit enter, then save, Control S, and close. Same here. Just adjust the size. Okay, then click, hit enter, Control S or Command S to save. So just do the same thing all over again for the inner part of the jersey. Okay, okay, sorry about that. Now Control S, so we have this last part, I think, and just adjust for the last time. enter, save, close. Then the sleeves, right click, convert to smart object, then double click, then color overlay, then apply the navy blue that we have chosen earlier. So for the color, same, convert to smart object, double click, then color overlay, then the neon green color that we have chosen earlier. So for the shorts, once again, double click, hold, convert to smart object, double click, color overlay, then the navy blue. Hit OK. Then now our socks, right click, convert to smart object, double click, and the neon green. Okay, lastly our shoes. We are going to change the color of the boots. Okay, right click, convert to smart object, double click, color overlay, the navy. Then can color the parts of the shoes. Look for the boots. Okay, so these parts are going to oops. Okay, so these two we are going to choose, then hold click, drag on the top of the boots layers, then release, then just double click this and apply the neon green. Okay, so that we have our front and back design done. So we have now our finished 3D mockup soccer kit using yellow images template, easy to use, and you can have a premium quality look for your clothing line. Again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.